Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a product from the Spice Kit Company. This is their crushed red pepper flakes, ground twice. And they call it double cut on the label right here. Now, what's unique about this, I'm going to show you the side view here, is that you don't see any seeds in here. And not only is it double ground where the texture is smaller, you don't have those big annoying seeds that, to me, just add too much heat and acidity to the use. The container here, I forgot to mention, is 12-ounce size, so it's a lot of red pepper flakes. I want to point something out. If this had seeds in there, it would be almost double the volume. And before I got this product, I was trying to manually separate seeds from my crushed red pepper. And what I noticed is by the time I got the seeds out, I had half the red pepper. So when you think about it, you're getting 12 ounces. It's really like getting 24 ounces of regular red pepper with seeds. So keep that in mind, because this is a good value. So now we're going to pour it out and we're going to look at the texture. So this is a super close-up. So you can see these are all pepper flakes on here. You don't see any seeds. And you could just see that's about a millimeter to a millimeter and a half in size. So this gives you a real good idea of the quality of the red pepper flakes that are in this Spice Kit Company brand. So what's my overall opinion about the Spice Kit Company, the crushed red pepper, the double cut version? I really like this product. I love the flavor of it, the taste, and the size of it's perfect. And I wanted to point something else out. It comes with the little shaker right here, and nothing gets stuck in there because of the smaller size. So I love this product, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.